And thank you. If I didn't see your comment, I am sorry. And because but I was not watching the chat. But thank you all.
Did Vaughn check the malpractice insurance requirement for attorneys for all 50 states?
Doubtful.
Well, yeah, that she learned in that class she sat in on.
Mm-hmm. You know, and she loves to talk about what she knows about lawyers and what other lawyers would do, and how you're not a lawyer because you wouldn't do what she pretends that she knows that they do.
Yeah, I wouldn't.
Curtis Meeks. Curtis Meeks, by the way, Your Honor, is a professional boxer. So he's a pretty impressive person. I do not represent Ricky Henderson. The lawsuit is asking.
Presume that to know what Pennsylvania's requirements are, I'd have to actually look them up. That's what lawyers do. Like we're not just like walking encyclopedias, like, and I think it's really odd that she could be so confident that there's this.
Crazy.
Oh my God.
Involved in
She's
that matter. I have no involvement with that.
I don't know. She does sound drunk to me. I'm being honest.
SI Investment Companies is a quagmire of a nightmare. In my professional opinion, I do.
Universal rule that you're required to have malpractice insurance as a lawyer?
Well, you guys all know each other too, so.
So is that a federal law, Vaughn? Is that required by federal law? And on all
the Constitution.
Are there any states
do not represent them whatsoever, and nor do I represent Top and Ball.
A quagmire
of a nightmare? 4 times now.
Correct.
It is very clear. It's already on the record who you represent.
Love it.
What do you want to do your opening statement responding to Mr. Coomer after his case in chief, or you want to go now?
Yes, Your Honor. I represent Curtis Meeks, and I take my ethical issues very seriously. I do believe that there is profound evidence to show
individual attorneys to carry malpractice insurance.
You're asking too many rational questions.
Yeah, you can't.
Come on.
Yeah.
I do the Socratic method. I'm not going to tell her the answer.
That there was skimming off the top as a builder in this case.
Evidence. Just evidence.
There was skimming off the top. The reason why I'm saying this is
drunk.
that
You gotta be.
Curtis Meeks, although he may have a history, he was
That's not a possibility.
He entered into a joint venture in real estate. Ricky Henderson, I don't know him from Adam, nor do I represent him.
Oh my.
No, the answer, Vaughn, if you ever get questioned by Nick, is just, I was wrong and I'm an idiot and I might be stroking out, which is why I said something so stupid.
I can vouch for that.
If you're working for somebody, they're gonna fire your ass. They're like, what are you doing? And you're on a fucking computer. And say, listen to half the shit that these people talk about. Fuck, not
this is HR, Vaughn.
But not even half. Like, let's say 1/10 of 1% of the insanity.
1/10 of 1%.
I was like, oh God, there's no way. And then they were talking about
should be no contempt of court towards Curtis Meeks. That's what I pledged to the court.
His posture right now.
He cured a deficiency that was financial. Curtis Meeks cured a deficiency financially.
All right.
where he entered into a joint venture
Get another
and his
cocktail so I can
partner
just
stole
understand
from
her.
him.
It's an opening statement. Spit it out. You're in front of a judge, not a jury.
And this is funny. I thought about this.
And again, she did not listen to us. Somebody texted her in the middle of the night.
myself, and one of my cousins and I talked about this too. Like, can you believe this? 'Cause I didn't really talk too much, but they
Her cousin.
listen, so I don't have to talk about it. But
Okay.
it was
The one that takes notes of all our lives.